Hello, my name is Anastasia, and today we start our Italian course. The first thing we are going to learn is the ABC. Look at the blackboard. There are some Italian letters. The first letter is A, and the example is albero, albero. That means a tree. The next letter is B, and the example is banana. That means a banana. The third letter is C, and the example is cane. This letter C has two sounds, ch and k, but I'll explain this rule a bit later. A letter C, cane, a dog. The next letter is D, and the example is due, that means number two, due. And the last letter in this line is E, euro, that means euro. And now we are going to move to the next line, and the first letter is F, and the example is fuoco, that means fire. The next letter is G, and the example is gelato, that means an ice cream. The next letter is H, and this letter is mute. We don't pronounce it. For example, hotel. We don't say this letter. Hotel. This letter, H, doesn't have any pronunciation. And we are going to move to the letter E. The next letter is E, and the example is Italia, that means Italy. And the last letter in this line is L, and the example is letto, that means a bed. And the last line has 5 letters as usual. So the first letter is M, and example is mela, that means an apple, mela. The next letter is N, and our example is naso, that means nails. Letter O, example is otto, that means number 8, otto. P, and the example is pane, that means bread. The last letter for today is Q, and the example is quattro, and that means number 4. I think it's enough for the first lesson, so we continue next time, and I ask you, what do you remember from the first lesson? Bye bye, see you next lesson.